It's John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Beglin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Well, thank you. I think this is a brilliant atmosphere awaiting these players today. I can't wait for this one to start.
These are the lineups. Off we go then. A fine display of slick passing. And the cross is cleared. Good vision there. Here's a ball in. A lunge. Picks it off. It's a corner. It's a ball in. And a sublime header! Keeper claims it.
That was such a good effort, despite the attention of his marker. I thought he did really well there. Well, it's all very tight in that area. I think they should play a longer pass.
That wasn't the best of passes, really. Picked it off. Now Matuidi. Here's Maxwell. It's a throw-in. Maxwell. He plays it towards the corner flag. And he's done well to get his head on that. Great build-up. Pity about the outcome.
Yeah, he got himself into such a good position there, but he didn't quite get the contact he wanted from the header.
We're in the 30th minute. Slides it through. The keeper's got it. And he's going for it, and it's come back off the bar. Saved by the crossbar.
That's such a pity. It looked like that was a goal all the way, just a couple of inches too high.
Thiago Motta cuts it out. He's looking to play it into the channel. Here's Matuidi. No, that won't be finding its target. Plays this forward. This is lovely passing to watch. Now Matuidi. Maxwell. Here's Matuidi. Maxwell. Wins a throw. Now through to Menez. An illegal challenge, says the ref. Ball in. The whistle goes to signal the midway point of this game.
Yeah, they may be level, but they clearly need a wide man in their armour just to stretch this game a little.